In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a bucket using AWS S3 in n8n, step by step. If you're working with automations in n8n and need to remove an Amazon S3 bucket, this quick tutorial will walk you through exactly where to click and what to configure. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple automation tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your n8n workflow and go to the Nodes panel. From there, search for AWS S3 and add the AWS S3 node to your workflow. Once the node is added, open it and look for the operation option. Here, choose Delete a Bucket. This is the action that tells n8n you want to remove an existing S3 bucket from your AWS account. Next, you'll need to configure the node by giving it the required details. Start by selecting or entering your AWS credentials so n8n can connect to your Amazon S3 account securely. Then, provide the bucket information exactly as needed, making sure the bucket name is correct. A small typing mistake here can cause the delete action to fail, so double check the bucket name before continuing. Depending on your setup, you may also need to choose the correct AWS region or any additional required fields in the node configuration. Once everything is filled in, review the settings one more time to make sure you are targeting the right bucket. After that, run the node or execute the workflow to delete the bucket. If the configuration is correct and the bucket is eligible for deletion, n8n will process the request and remove it from S3, and that's it. You've now deleted a bucket using AWS S3 in n8n. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more n8n and automation guides.